Hi everyone, today we're using one sensory bin for different math concepts. This carrot sensory bin is a wonderful sensory and math activity for kids. I made the carrot garden out of an old egg carton and carrots from pipe cleaners. Add in some bunnies and scoops for extra fun. There are so many ways these manipulatives can be used in learning. Here I am adding to containers to make it a sorting activity. Here is a bunny, so put it here. And here is the carrot, so here we are going to sort these bunnies and carrots into the containers. Sorting is an important cognitive skill. It teaches your toddler to notice similarities and differences and develops early literacy and numeracy skills. If you want to extend the fine motor practice, you can add any fine motor tool also. Another idea is to use these number cards. And kids can use these number cards to show how many. This activity involves counting out the value for each number and placing same quantity of manipulatives. It's a great opportunity for children to practice counting, recognize numbers, and it's a great way for them to understand what these numbers represent. With this sensory bin, you can also work on addition. Another idea is you can include the dice and kids gonna roll the dice and pick the same number of carrots and add them up. This sensory addition game is super fun, and you can also practice subtraction with this sensory bin. Hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.